Hi there kids. Today's topic is all about ST blends. Let's get started. Letter S sounds S and T sounds T, and together they make a sound ST, ST. Now let's start the session with ST initial consonant blends. St, stop, stop. St, stars, stars. St, stage, stage. St, stairs, stairs. St, stapler, stapler. Storm, stone. Stick, steel. Story, steam. Stand, sting. Sty. Now let's learn ST ending consonant blends. Nest, nest. West, west. Wrist, wrist. List, list. Coast, coast. Pest, west. Thirst, first. Fist, last. Just, must. Test, quest. Worst. Bye bye kids. See you later. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all phonics videos and printable worksheets are given below in the description box. Keep watching.